Are you struggling to scale your go-to-market initiatives on a limited budget and resources? Would you believe me if I said all you need to do is answer 2 questions with Zymplify to build a revenue growth engine? In just under 4 minutes, you'll gain access to 1 buyer intent campaign sample tailored to your business, 1 customized search tailored to your target audience, 1 lookalike audience for a broader outreach, 5 automated workflows to streamline your operations, 1 multi-channel campaign to create and capture demand, 3 customizable sales pipelines to track your unique sales cycle, 2 sales cadences to boost your selling strategy, AI-generated marketing content, including social posts, blogs, and newsletters. And as a bonus, start your journey with the first 100 leads free. Witness the magic unfold with Zymplify, your ultimate ally for scaling go-to-market success. Set up a full-cycle revenue growth engine in just 3 easy steps.